Thinking about cruising and drink prices. Drink prices have gotten pretty high on the cruise ships.
They have, yeah, but if you get the drink package.
Oh, that's a whole other thing, though. The package is a separate thing. But let's just talk about individual drinks, because we've never gotten the drink package.
No, we haven't.
We don't get cheers. Yeah. But like if you want a beer or a cocktail or something,
$7-8, isn't it?
It's getting up there.
Close to
that'd be the low end, 10. I think. I think the lower end is close to 10 now. So people, again, in our Facebook group, people are saying, "Oh, drink prices have gotten really high," and other people are like, "You shouldn't complain because that's just inflation." So I decided to check the math. I got my hands on a drink menu from 1997, and I looked at all the prices of all the drinks from 1997. The cheapest drink in 1997 was 95 cents.
Wow.
The most expensive drink that you could get on the menu. So I don't know about maybe super top shelf, dusty bottle, top of the bar. But everything on the menu, the drink menu, the most expensive thing, $2.95.
Okay. And that was in
1997.
1997. Okay.
So I did the math. I checked the inflation calculator online. What happens to those numbers if you account for inflation all the way up to today? And this is what the range should be based on inflation. The lowest drink should be $1.66.
Wow.
And the most expensive should be $5.16.
Wow. So Carnival wants to make money.
Yes, and they are a business.
They are a business, yeah.
But using an inflation argument for those drink prices, that doesn't fly. Because I don't think you can get, other than like a can of soda, I don't think you can get anything for less than the high end of that inflation price. I don't think you can get anything for less than $5 unless it's soda. I think like a shot of Fireball would be that much.
I think soda would be like $2 or $3. I think soda's $3, almost $3.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we actually did the math, and Carnival's drink prices have increased well beyond the rate of inflation.
Yeah.
And so it's fine if they're raising prices, but don't blame it on inflation, because that's not what this is. That might be a small part of it, but it's a lot more than just inflation. So not a long topic there, but I just wanted to get the facts out about...
But this, it could also be because of the staff wages too, and the operating costs of the cruise.
Yeah, or it could be the dividends they need to pay the shareholders, or a variety of different factors. And so we're not necessarily saying the drink prices aren't justified. I'm just saying that if you think inflation on its own explains drink prices, it does not.
It does not.
It's more than that.